If you've ever tried to root a cutting in water and nothing happened, it's usually because one tiny step was missing, and today, you'll finally see exactly how to do it right. With just 1 glass of water, you can turn a single stem into a brand new plant. Here's the simplest way to make your cuttings root fast. No guessing, no complicated tools. Choose a healthy stem, but here's the important part. It must have at least 1 node, that small bump where roots actually grow. Cut just below that node. If you miss it, nothing will root. Use a clear glass with room temperature water. Clear containers help you see early root growth and warn you when the water needs changing. Place the cutting so only the node is under water. Leaves should be above the water, never inside it. Wet leaves rot, and rot slows root growth. Set the glass in bright indirect light. Not sun. Not shade. Soft light is what tells the plant it's safe to create new roots. Change the water every 3 to 5 days. Fresh oxygen equals faster rooting. Stale water equals slow or no growth. After 1 to 3 weeks, you'll see thin white roots forming from the node. Let them grow a few inches before moving the cutting to soil. Some plants stay happy in water forever. Others prefer soil once the roots develop. Let the cutting tell you what it wants, not the calendar. Consider subscribing. I share simple plant care lessons every week.